In this video, let's explore how to use Perplexity AI for students. Now, there can be multiple sections to this. I'm just going to use a few use cases that could be helpful. Let's say you're trying to understand a complex topic. Instead of getting stuck, you can ask Perplexity to explain it in simple terms. You can add in a simple prompt like this and then hit enter. This way, you'll get a clear breakdown explanation. If a part is still confusing, you can give it an immediate follow-up and then ask in questions below. You can also use this AI for generating practice quizzes. If you're studying for a test and if you want to recall all of your questions so that you can confirm that you remember everything that you read, you can add in a similar prompt for it and you're going to get a custom study tool. You can use this for any subject to test your knowledge before your exam or your tests. So by using these few methods, as a student, you can use Perplexity AI for various purposes. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.